let's talk about a few common gardening problems. So enjoy the video! Well, hello. Here are some common garden problems in no particular order. The first thing that we do is we make excuses. We say that we don't have room to start a garden bed, but I have to totally disagree with you. What you can do, you can get yourself some grow bags. They're inexpensive, and everything I talk about will be linked in the description box below if you're interested. But you can always use grow bags, or you could use 5-gallon buckets as well. So if you don't think you have the room, just get one 5-gallon bucket and grow one thing at a time. Start off with growing tomatoes, and then next year try something else. Another thing is, we don't let our seeds harden. And that is when you plant your seeds indoors and you bring them outside, they don't have time to get strong to be able to weather the elements and the wind. So you have to let your seedlings get strong by allowing the wind to blow on them. Also, we don't weed eat, pick the weeds out, and that can cause problems. And also, you need to water your plants. If you don't water your plants, they're not going to be successful, and you're not going to have a good harvest. Another thing, you have to have trellises for your plants that go up vines, such as cucumbers, squash, eggplants, green beans, tomatoes, and other type of plants that grow on vines. So also make sure you have a trellis or something that they can crawl up on. Another thing that I did is I did not label what I got going in my garden beds. I tried to go by my memory, and that was wrong. So always make sure that you label what you have. But I know I have spinach here, I have broccoli, I have carrots, I had some corn, and some stinking squirrels got into my garden bed. And thinking about that, I got something else I forgot to find out. I can't remember what it is, so if you remember what this plant is, let me know. But if you can, would you please let me know what these insect bites are from and how I can prevent that from happening on my crops. And what I did to prevent squirrels from getting to my garden bed ever again, I invested in a Valin Bird X net to help cover up my garden bed and prevent squirrels and any other critters from getting into my garden bed. Another thing I did, I purchased me this scarecrow with a rotating head. It has prevented rabbits from being in my yard, but birds and squirrels look at it and they taunt it. So it does not really work. I thought it would work. I've seen other videos where it was successful, but it's just not working for me, but I still have it up. This owl scares me more than it scares other rodents. But like I said, when it comes to gardening, just keep it simple. Don't overthink. Cover your crops to prevent critters from getting into it. Make sure you water it, pull weeds, and you'll have a successful garden. If you like what you're hearing from me, subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like. I want to take the time out to say thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day. Bye.